The buff is a very important issue where men is concerned. But you have some men who take the buff to heart and eat the buff. Oh my God. I'm warning those guys. No eating of the buff.
You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely I gonna know. So people, dancehall artist Kaseeno get caught on camera doing what? And people, we can clearly see him face. He come like say him do it intentionally. Because I see dog and look up in the camera straight and them thing there. He must say it tastes like diamond and them thing there.
Diamond pussy, yeah.
Come like him want broke squaddy record, you know, cause squaddy go ice cream and him a go diamond. Kaseeno!
Can we be blowing away?
So one thing I want to ask, when Kaseeno did tell the girl to come over, that him did want to do?
Baby, come over. Yeah, come over.
Anyway people, we are going to talk about that. And we are going to talk about our dancehall female artist Moyann kind of shade Brii official, which is Silk Boss girlfriend. A matter of fact, I think a wife, me shouldn't say even though them no married car to we move more while my wife settings in go. Anyway, we soon forward.
I wanna feel like they can't talk me on my face. I wanna feel like lead us on the place. I wanna feel like can't talk me on my face. No, you can try.
Feel me heart hurt me. Yo dog, right now me say me need a surgery.
Me not laugh, me not joke, me not skin teeth no more. Skin teeth no more. Bad mind want me lay like pie down on floor. Pie down on. Me family paranoid, me not afraid of no shock. Oh, they shiny light, me not care if you're down. Me not laugh, me not joke, me not skin teeth no more. Skin teeth no more.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Bototom, Bush, Yaksta said that.
So people, before we go into that video in how dancehall artist Kaseeno get caught on camera eating the buff, we are going to talk about the artist here when we discover last night. People, the artist here named Brii and him forward from Portland. Me tell us me a show about the Portland artists them and me a run with them like me here. Good news, you know. Yesterday we talk about Versi, we talk about Benzel, now we are talking about Brii. You know what I mean? Yo, people, the artist here bad and he have a song when him skin teeth. And it just have me in a vibe where it even make me take off my phone and I snap to the song. Me not telling lie people, the song bad. Preet no?
Stick up in watch your mouth, watch your chat. Any threat, yes, make quick fist and back. Don't take me simple or watch your head back. Eagle a fly, marrow pop on sidewalk.
And if you don't believe me, somebody did actually take out my phone and snap to it, see the video here, when me a whole a vibe. We don't laugh, we not joke, we not skin teeth no more. Skin teeth no more. I hit that right there, so people, me not tell a lie. The song bad. The song bad. The song just give me one different vibes. Me no laugh, me no skin teeth no more. That I show you say there's a lot of talent in Jamaica to be discovered. Because me and my dog a chill on the ends yesterday. You see me? And he must say, yo dog, you hear that artist here? The artist here bad, you know? You know say me know him X, Y, and Z. Me I say, yo, no star. Me did Affy give the dog a video. You know what I mean? Me did Affy bring the song forward on this platform because me not tell a lie. The song bad. Me no laugh, me no jump, me no skin teeth no more. Skin teeth no more. And we have a next song to but we are talk about the next song in our next review. Brii, your body out. Me I gonna leave all of the links them to that song in the comment section below. As me say, a Portland artist, and we are sure about the Portland artist them right now.
Fake friend and fake girl, me did a rate and you broke. Me give you everything, they gotta give you luck. Look how we did a par when you're drinking at my bar. Now you want to see me style, me not rate and not all.
So, dancehall artist Kaseeno, we see a video circulate on the media, and yes, me can talk about it because it they run in the media. And I like say a Chaddy TV go so booms and see it and a blast it. Me wake up this morning and when I check my phone, Me see somebody I say, yo, dog, you know see what going on with Kaseeno? I say, Kaseeno, oh, Superman? I say, yeah. I say, John, no star.
Kaseeno.
Go some booms and go preps the video little. Boy, Kaseeno, me nah tell no lie. Jaja. Boy, Kaseeno, me nah tell no lie. Jaja. The girl them say I broke squad record, bro. G. Me nah tell no lie. You deal with it. Yo, Jaja. That different. Anyway, still people, the question what me really want to ask. As this a dance all gone nowhere, you have to, you know, do a stunt of so extreme. Because I must stunt this, you know. I must stunt this. To how the video release and to how you see him in the video clear as day. You see him bald and him strong color here. Them is Superman and them clear as day. So me I say, I must them leak the video. Who leak the video? Who leak the video? I must them leak the video. So there's a dance all there right now where you have to eat some poop.
Diamond pussy was here.
Bow! Anyway, still, people, let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Please, nobody ask me if you send the video. I am not going to send it. I am no matter of fact, it's not on my phone. Don't on my phone. But now send nobody the video. Probably if you follow me on the Instagram page and go in on my DM and ask me if I'm going to send it, but me not send it. Publicly. Anyway, still, let me know what you think about this. You know, this well, it's not an allegation. Him dead a day, bright as day. Let me know what you think about Kaseeno get caught eating the buff, and let me know what you think about, you know, dancehall being so tough where artists now have to start try some licky things for boss. Or try think out of the box. Probably them are going on one back. You know what? Make a move on. So yesterday, dancehall artists Moyann and Jashsii did a song. Me not tell a lie. People, the song bad. Check it out.
Now I'm all a lie. I know any man apply like when embassy I give visa. You know see how the we a live. A gunman alone shift my panty.
So people, this song is entitled How We Are Live, and since it's released, it's already accumulated 222,000 views and smack on number 5 and trending. Not telling a lie, people, the song have a vibe. The song is produced by DJ Frost. You know what I mean? So you know it's a good quality song and music video. In the song still, Moyann kinda says something where may I say, Moyann, really you say that? Cause I don't know Moyann has no controversial figure, you know. You see me? And worse to how she shoot off Brii. Brii is not an artist. You see me? Brii is the wife, manager, wife, girlfriend of an artist. So me I say, Moyann would have go off like a dancehall artist. Me not call her name, cause I like little unity where they there. But that shot yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this shot. But make we listen what Moyann said.
When too good them a fear about it. We not get no lame, but this on a silk and be we not for video nor voice note.
That is it. And you hear Jashsii right there, so that is it. No star. So people, what you think about that line? You feel like say them just do that line if you know, people like probably me run with the song, which the song done bad already. But for create one like a controversy around the song, and me don't want nobody in the comment section get right with me, cause I've reviewed Moyann multiple times. I think me are one of the first vlogger to ever talk about Moyann in our video when me do from about 2-3 years ago. You know what I mean? So me don't want to go forward with it. I say, yo, alright, if the line never in a song, Chaddy would talk about it. Don't do that. Do not do that. The song bad. But do you think that line is necessary? How do you think Silk Boss will react? Or do you think Silk Boss will react? Because remember, that time Brii. So people, it look like say after Brii hear that song, Brii took it to her Instagram and said this. You see why me no friend artist girl? All when me no see them artist girl, them a see me. Go pick pan female artists, make them cut you down to size in a them clash. And don't drag me. I don't like none of uno. If you call me name to get views now, one Brii official. Yeah. And then she later on and said this. Why call a nobody name? One Brii official. Yeah.
Stay to myself with my buckle and my rum and my weed. My Glock 17 and Brii.
So people, what you think about what Brii had to say? She have a point. She have a point because I any idea Brii an artist. Brii is not an art. She an artist we me know of. I don't know her to be an artist. Probably she can do her thing, but we don't know her to be an artist. You know what I mean? So you don't think say Moyann would have got some booms and fire off of somebody else. But then again, it can just be how Moyann feel because people did I say and word on the street did I say, you know, two of them kind of look lame and thing. And remember, this is like public information. And they are literally people where you can talk about because people know them. I don't want to say public figure, but people know them. Them are YouTuber. Well, Brii a YouTuber. You see me? So people know her. So, probably, I don't know. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way. Any other way are the wrong way. Gone.